And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier we heard from CommonGround volunteer Melisa Konecky about the nutritional value of dairy products. And now she is back with a recipe to share. Here's Taryn and Melissa with a great breakfast or anytime idea.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, Melissa, you're here to tell us how to make strawberry oatmeal muffins, perfect for the whole family any time of the day.
Yes, we love these because these are, you know, you make them on a Sunday night and they're good for the whole week. Grab something quick before you head out the door.
Yeah, you need that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so how do we do it?
So what we're going to do is you'll start with your dry ingredients. So we got some flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and we've already mixed those. Next, we're going to work with our wet ingredients. So one of the favorites, we got some Greek yogurt here. We just talked about Greek yogurt. So Greek yogurt is one thing you can kind of start to use in your kitchen a lot more. It's a great substitute for sour cream, which I did not believe, but it's true.
It does work, okay.
So we got some Greek yogurt, some eggs, and then of course some oil. And then we'll also throw in brown sugar. There we go.
This makes it so much more fun to bake when all the ingredients are measured out.
If this would happen all the time, this would be perfect. And then somebody to do dishes would also be
man,
nice.
I know.
So then we got some oatmeal.
Okay.
And then kind of the last thing, which is one of my favorites about this recipe, is we got strawberries, of course. So even if you got some strawberries that are getting a little overly ripe and you're not sure what to do, we're actually going to dump the flour in with them first.
Oh.
Kind of keeps them from getting all soggy and mushy.
Okay.
When you bake them.
Then do I add that in here?
Then you'll throw those in there as well.
Okay.
Perfect.
There we go. I like to get every last strawberry.
That's the best part.
All right, here we go.
Yes. So, got her all mixed in there.
Okay. Perfect. And then add it into that?
Yes. So this is kind of a great recipe if you're kind of trying to watch what you eat. It's got oatmeal. It's got Greek yogurt.
Seems
of course
really healthy.
Yeah. I tell myself that.
You tell?
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
So then you'll mix it all together.
Okay.
I've got a brother that plays college football, and this is his favorite recipe.
Really?
Yes, he
So
loves these.
Gives him the energy he needs, right?
Yes, he likes to try to watch what he eats.
Okay, so you mix all that.
Mix it all up, and then we put it,
in here.
muffin tins there.
And you like to use this guy?
Yeah, use that guy.
Put it in there. Okay.
Drop her in, and then cook them at 400 for about 20 minutes, but go ahead and watch them maybe at about minute 15.
These are really good.
They are.
They're chewy, too.
They are. Yeah, so I think you could probably make them with blueberries or whatever kind of fruit you've also got.
I like to warm them up, too, in the microwave.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Melissa. John, back to you. This is on our Facebook page, too. Back to you.